I do not recommend the Adizero Prime X to Strung, and there are a few reasons why. So the first thing is that it often feels like you're running on stilts, and it feels like you're going to roll your ankle. And that's particularly true if you have something a little bit larger than your feet. So I went about half a size smaller than I might normally just to get that tightness. But then the result is that you have this sort of hard upper that is very tight against the top of your foot and is not particularly comfortable. It's also not particularly breathable, so it gets kind of hot in this upper area. So running on stilts, uncomfortable upper, overly hot upper. Now, the pros of this is that it is a lot of cushioning and it has the carbon plate, which is an experience that I really like. But I think a much better alternative is to go with the New Balance SC2 or the upcoming SC3 trainer, which is a near perfect shoe experience. It's the number one running shoe that I recommend, and I've gone through a lot of expensive and mid-ranged running shoes. So overall, I mean, I think it looks fine. It looks kind of cool. I have this neon color. There's also the blue version. The blue version wasn't available. It's a very expensive shoe, but I mean that I'm willing to pay to get the best. We can see the bottom here has a Continental branding on it. I don't see a lot of wear and tear on the bottom here, and I've had this for a few months, so that's not too bad. But my overall experience is pretty subpar. I think there are better training shoes with carbon plates that are going to be more comfortable for you, are going to be more stable, that you don't feel like you're going to roll your ankle. So I do use this. I mix it up with the Nimbus 26, which is a very comfortable shoe. But really what I'm looking forward to is the New Balance that's going to be coming out later in the summer, the SC3.